If you just applied for the YouTube monetization program and you are seeing an error message in your dashboard, after adding your AdSense account, you are seeing error message. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two things I did before my dashboard changed from error to in progress and from in progress to welcome to the YouTube partner program. All right. You know that after completing your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers threshold, YouTube is going to send you a message like this to set up your account. All right, so in the process of setting up your account, you have to agree to their terms and conditions by ticking yes, and then you have to add your AdSense account. All right, now AdSense is different from YouTube itself. Okay, AdSense is just like a medium through which YouTube pays its creators. All right, so you need this AdSense account to be able to get your payments every single month here on YouTube once you meet the monetization threshold. All right, now many creators are facing this issue right now. So in this video, I'm going to tell you two things I personally did, because this is what happened to me when I tried to apply for the YouTube monetization program after I added my AdSense pin. All right, so if this is the first time of seeing my face, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to share updates on how to grow on YouTube here. I also tell you mistakes that you would want to avoid so as to grow your channel and get monetized here on YouTube. We don't hide updates here. I come out here to share my experience with you, everything that has happened. There is no cockroach in my cupboard here. All right, so go to the comment section and grab anybody that is grabbable. Please make sure you do it the right way. All right, start implementing these two strategies or these two methods I'm about to share with you. I'm going to be telling you one extra thing you need to do to at the end of this video, so you don't want to watch this video from beginning to the end. All right, so if you are faced with this problem, the first thing you need to do is to go back to AdSense and close down your AdSense account. All right, if you don't know how to do that, watch videos on how to delete your AdSense account. That is your email address that you linked. All right, if you don't know, what I did was I go through the message that the AdSense sent to, because immediately you link your AdSense to YouTube or AdSense is going to send you a message, rather an email. All right, so because I don't know how to go about, I've watched series of videos on how to go about it, but I wasn't able to do it. So I just went through the email that they sent to me that my AdSense account has been linked successfully to YouTube. So I went through that email. I searched, I clicked some places. If I could, remember or see some place, I'm going to add it to this video. So there was this point I got to where I see, is this chat or chat contact customer care. So I now chatted them that I want to delete my AdSense account. Do you understand? So they now told me the process on how to go about it. At first, I tried it. It didn't work. I was like, how will I go about this thing? So I tried. I came back again. I contacted them that it's not working. I've not been able to delete my AdSense account. What should I do? They told me, they still brought up the same processes again. So I still went through. There was the process I was missing. I went through the process, I read through, and I went back and I applied it again. This time around, it worked. My AdSense account was successfully closed. Do you understand? So after I closed my AdSense account, I came back to YouTube again. Immediately you close your AdSense account, it's going to reflect on your YouTube dashboard. Do you understand? To add in a new email. If that's not reflected, just wait for like 1 day, or let me say like 2 or 3 hours. Once you close the AdSense account, it's going to reflect on your YouTube dashboard or your YouTube studio. Do you understand? And this brings me to the second step I took. Do you get? Now, immediately I got back to my YouTube studio dashboard, I saw this message that they say link up your AdSense again, because the first email or the first AdSense was deleted. So YouTube now had to tell me to start up the whole process again of adding my AdSense account. Do you understand? So I started the process again. So this is the second thing you need to do. The first thing you need to do is to delete your first email, which is your first AdSense account. The second thing is to create a new email. Do you understand? A fresh email, please. This is the second thing. Create a fresh email that is not linked to any Google payments. I think the reason why they rejected this my first email was because this my email address was linked to Google payments. I used to use it to make payments and the rest of the things. So maybe they thought that the email account had account with AdSense already, so they rejected it. So I had to create a fresh email, emphasis on a fresh email. Don't use an email. In fact, this email that you're using for your YouTube channel, don't use it. Use a fresh email that you have not used before. So that was what I did, and then I added this fresh email that, and I clicked on the option that says no, I don't have any existing AdSense account, and then I now added up everything they asked me to do, and then after then they now said in progress. Do you understand? That error was gone, and then the second thing, it's on to in progress, guys. I now waited. This is the last point I'm going to give you. Now, YouTube has come up with a new system where they don't respond to monetization requests early this period. I don't know, maybe because there are a lot of people applying for monetization. So if you are faced with this issue whereby you applied and you kept waiting and waiting, don't worry, it's normal. It's not only you. In my case, I had to pray, I had to fast. God, what is happening? Because I saw videos, I've seen videos where creators said that they applied for the YouTube monetization program, and in 2 hours they has got, accepted. I was like, what's happening? Did I do any mistake? No, my dear, you didn't do any mistake. Provided you follow the processes and you are sure of yourself that you follow the due processes, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. It's a new mechanical, let me say, it's a new YouTube way of delaying people. They have to, scrutinize your channel. They have to review your channel through bots, through humans, everything. Like, they have to check in, they have to review your channel very well. I said before, there are much people that are applying for YouTube monetization nowadays, so it used to take time. So if you are faced with delays in YouTube response to your monetization application, don't worry yourself, don't panic. YouTube is going to respond to you. This is the additional tips I have to tell you. Don't worry, don't panic, don't worry yourself. They're going to respond to you. And the last tip I'm going to give you, if you want to apply for YouTube monetization, my dear, go through your channel. Make sure you don't have any videos that will give you issues, because after waiting for a long period of time, if your YouTube channel has any copyrighted video or repetitive content strike or anything, you might not even know. It might be somebody that does not even upload people's video. Just go through your channel, scrutinize your channel by yourself, review your channel by yourself before you go ahead and click on that apply button. Do you understand? So this is the extra tip I have to give you guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. That is the only thing that you are going to support me with. All right, for saying thank you for this helpful video. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to as many people that is finding it difficult to add their AdSense, or people that are worried about whether YouTube is going to reply to their applications or not. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.